Chris Barron here with the O's marketing team at Royal LePage Parksville Qualicum Beach Realty at my latest listing, 174 Stanford Avenue East. This is a pretty unique property. It's got a separate one-bedroom suite upstairs and a separate one-bedroom suite downstairs. Perfect for an investor, a young person getting into the real estate market, or anybody that's looking to downsize. Not to mention, it's pretty close to downtown and that beautiful community park. Come on, let's check this one out.